Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay.
Hi students, Namaste, welcome back. This is Arjun Gupta from St. Joseph Degree College. In this session, we are supposed to discuss regarding to investment banking. Investment banking, as the term suggests, is concerned with the primary function of assisting the capital market in its function of capital market intermediation. That is, the movement of financial resources from those who have them, that is, investors, to those who need to make use of them, that is, issuer, for generating profit. Banking and financial institutions on the one hand and capital market on the other hand are two broad platforms of institutional intermediation for capital flow in the economy. A firm is said to be engaged in investment banking when it finances its capital requirements through the investment markets in place of bank finance or finance company credit. The investment banker acts as middleman and connects both the issuers of securities who require capital and the ultimate investors who have surplus funds to invest. They channelize the savings into investments and facilitate the flow of needed capital. Startups, expanding business units, government and non-governmental organizations needed assistance of investment bankers to meet their financial requirements. The two main lines of business in investment banking are called sell side and the buy side. The sell side involves the trading securities for cash or for other securities or the promotion of securities. The buy side involves the provision of advice to institutions that buy investment services. Private equity funds, mutual funds, life insurance companies, unit trust, and hedge funds are the most common type of buy side entities. Investment bankers are classified into originators, underwriters, and retailers. As originators, they bring out new issue of securities. As underwriters, they underwrite the issue of shares and debentures. As retailers, they retail the securities to individuals and investors. Banks are middlemen between a company that wants to issue new securities and the buying public. Banks advise buyers and sellers on business valuation, negotiation, pricing, and structuring of transactions as well as procedure and implementation. Banks match up buyers and sellers as well as buy and sell securities out of their own account to facilitate the trading of securities. Some portfolio management done by investment or merchant banking service for management of public offers of equity and debt instruments, buyback offers, book running, advisory and transaction services in project financing, syndicate loan, venture capital, private equity, private placements of equity and debt, business advisory and structuring, financial restructuring, corporate recognition such as mergers and acquisitions, asset sales, sell off and exit, etc., acquisitions and takeovers, government disinvestments and privatization, asset recovery agency services, and fund-based services like underwriting, market making, brought out deals, investment in primary market. Now, let us see the functions of investment bankers. Raising capital and security underwriting. Banks are middlemen between company that wants to issue new securities and buying public. Mergers and acquisitions. Banks advise buyers and sellers on business valuation, negotiation, pricing, and structuring of transactions as well as procedure and implementation. Sales and trading equity research. Banks match up buyers and sellers as well as buy and sell securities out of their own account to facilitate the trading of securities. Retail and commercial banking. Investment banks offer traditionally off-limit services like commercial banking. Finally, other functions like risk management, financial control, corporate treasury, corporate strategy, compliance, operations, and technology. Students, this is the brief scenario regarding to investment banking. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.
Peace.